Hello friends, welcome back to Robby Hobby. Garlic bread and bagel, two things I absolutely love. But today I'm making them high protein and low calorie so I can enjoy every bite without guilt and still stay on track with my fitness and weight loss journey. So if you are trying to eat healthier but you still want comfort food that feels like a warm hug, follow me. First I'm chopping one jalapeno, few garlic cloves, and about 6 ounces of cheddar cheese. Now in a big container, I add 1 cup of egg whites, chopped jalapenos, minced garlic, half cup of zero-fat Greek yogurt, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, oregano, some parmesan cheese, garlic powder, and 2 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese. Now mix everything really well using hand blender until it becomes smooth and thick. This mixture looks like pure protein magic. Now pour it into a greased tray and place it in oven 350 preheated for 45 minutes. And while this bakes, let's work on the bagel. In a container, 2 cups of oat flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, oregano. Now the flavor bombs, chopped jalapeno and minced garlic. And now the cheese, 4 ounce shredded cheddar cheese. This is not a diet bagel. This is a I'm serious about life bagel. Now add 1 cup zero-fat Greek yogurt, and mix well until it becomes a dough. Let it rest for 15 minutes. The dough needs that moment to relax, just like us. After 15 minutes, I dust the surface with flour and start working on the dough. Roll it, shape it, and make the bagel hole. And now, look at this. I made 8 bagels in different sizes because some mornings you want a small bagel and some mornings you need emotional support. Using a brush, egg wash the top of each bagel. And now comes my favorite part, everything bagel topping. You can use any topping you like, but this one makes the bagel feel expensive. Now into the oven. Same oven, 350-degree preheated for 45 minutes. Okay, the garlic bread is ready. Look at the texture. Golden, soft, cheesy. Let's try it. Oh wow, this is honestly insane. It's cheesy, spicy, garlicky, and it's guilt-free. This is the kind of food that makes you feel like you are cheating, but you are actually winning. And I'm not even kidding. By the time bagels finished baking, I finished the whole tray. It was that satisfying. And yes, this was my full dinner tonight. High protein, low calories, happy soul. And now, the bagels are ready. Look at them. Golden, thick, and loaded. These bagels are going to be my breakfast tomorrow. I'll use mine with low-fat cream cheese, but you can eat them however you want. Butter, peanut butter and jelly, turkey or ham for lunch, or as a breakfast sandwiches with egg and cheese sandwich. Whatever matches your vibe. So if you love comfort food but you still want to stay on track, this recipe is perfect. High protein, low calorie, big flavor, zero guilt. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe and share. From my kitchen to your heart. Enjoy.